Good morning children. Today in this video I will explain you numerical problem of chapter 2 unit 3 given on page number 43 and 44. Let's start the first problem. The first problem is a square piece of cardboard has side 25 centimeter. What is the area of the cardboard in centimeter square, B millimeter square and C meter square? So let's solve the problem. Answer number 1. A. Now in question, side is given, side is equal to 25 centimeter. So what is the area of the square? Area of the square is equal to side into side, and it equal to 25 centimeter into 25 centimeter, and when you multiply 25 into 25 it gives you 625 centimeter square. This is what the area of the square in centimeter square. Now come to second part. Now you have to find the area of the square in millimeter square. Now you know 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, and 1 centimeter square is equal to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter, and it gives you 10 into 10, 100 millimeter square. So 1 centimeter square is equal to 100 millimeter square. So what is the area given here? Therefore 625 centimeter square is equal to 625 into 1 centimeter square is equal to 625 into 1 centimeter square is equal to how many millimeters? 100 millimeter square, and when you multiply 625 into 100 it gives you 625 100 millimeter square. Therefore 625 centimeter square is equal to 625 100 millimeter square. Now let's move to C part. Now we have to find the area of the cardboard in meter square. So here you know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Therefore 1 centimeter square is equal to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter into 1 upon 100 meter, and when you multiply it gives you 1 upon 10,000 meter square. Therefore 1 centimeter square is equal to 1 upon 10,000 meter square. Therefore 625 centimeter square is equal to 625 into 1 centimeter square. 625 into 1 centimeter square is equal to 1 upon 10,000 meter square, and when you divide you will get 0.0625 meter square. This is what 625 centimeter square is equal to 0.0625 meter square. Let's move to the next question. Second question. The length of a hall is 15 meter and breadth 4 meter. Find the area of the hall in meter square, B in hectare. Now first part we will solve. Now in question they are given length is equal to 15 meter, breadth is equal to 4 meter. What is the area of the hall? area of the hall is length into breadth. So what is the length here? 15 meter into 4 meter. When you multiply 15 fours are 60 meter square. This is what the area of the hall in meter square, 60 meter square. Let's move to next B part. Now you have to find the area of the hall in hectares. Here 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square, or 1 meter square is equal to 1 upon 10,000 hectare. And what is the area of the hall in meter square? It is 60 meter square. 60 meter square is equal to 60 divided by 10,000 hectare, and is equal to 60 meter square is equal to, when you divide 60 upon 1000, it gives you 60 upon 10,000 hectare, and when you divide it gives you 0.006 hectare. This is what 60 meter square is equal to 0.006 hectare. Let's move to the third question. A flat circular plate has radius 14 centimeter. What is the area of the plate? Now here radius they have given 14 centimeter. So the plate is circular in shape. So we will find area of the circle. And what is the formula area of the circle? This is pi r square. So what is the value of pi? Pi, it means 22 divided by 7 into radius into radius. So we will put the values. 22 by 7 into r is 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter. So here 7 2s are 14 and 22 into 2 into 14, 28. And how many centimeters? 2 they are given, centimeter square. So when you multiply, you will get 616 centimeter square. So the area of the circle is 616 centimeter square. This is what the area of the plate. Let's move to fourth question. The diameter of a circular field is 7 meter. Find the area of the field. Now in this question they have given the diameter. Diameter is equal to 7 meter. So how you will find radius? Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So what is the diameter? 7 divided by 2. When you divide, you will get 3.5 meter. 3.5 meter. Therefore, area of the field is equal to pi r square. So what is the value of pi? 22 divided by 7 into r, and 22 divided by 7 is equal to 3.5 into 3.5. And when you do simplify, you will get 38.5 meter square. This is what the area of the field, 38.5 meter square. Let's move to fifth question. a triangular cardboard has a base of 8 centimeter and its height up to vertex is 4 centimeter. What is the area of the cardboard? So let's find the area of the cardboard. Here the area of a triangular cardboard is equal to half base into height. So here the base they have given here, base is 8 centimeter and height they have given 4 centimeter. Just put these values in the formula. Half into what is base 8 centimeter into what is height 4 centimeter. So here 2 4s are 8, 4 4s are 16 centimeter square. So here the area of the triangular cardboard is 16 centimeter square. So children, that's all of the numerical problem given on page number 43 and 44. Thank you.